Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I hope you're all doing well and enjoying this new year. And if you'd like to see how I went from this to this, please keep watching. So I'm pretty sure you guys noticed by now, I really like butterflies and I wanted to recreate the candle from Disney's Encanto. So I decided to do two versions of it with a real candle and a fake candle. I printed out two templates that I found on Google and used one for each candle. I made sure that my Sharpie and sticker paper were the same shade of gold, but later I used a different gold pen, so you guys will see that later. Starting with my fake candle first, I cut my template and sticker paper to size. Using a glue stick, I glued the template to the back of the sticker paper, smoothing it out with my hands. I taped the entire thing to a clipboard just so it's easier to maneuver and cut. I used a ruler to make sure my edges were as straight as possible. I sped this part up because it was a lot of footage. It took about an hour to get everything the way I wanted. I used an X-Acto knife and small scissors for the entire process. I know it would have been a lot quicker using a Cricut or another cutting printer, but I don't have one, so I wanted to show how it could be done without one. After the entire design was cut out, I cut open the fake candle, I put batteries in it and checked to see if it worked. I laid down some tape so it wouldn't roll. I wanted the curved part of the candle to be the front part, so I laid that down and then I put all of the stickers on top. The butterfly was the trickiest part because it was kind of flimsy, but after that, everything was pretty easy. To remove the backing off of the sticker paper, I just grabbed my X-Acto knife, made a little slice, and pulled that right off. For all those dots around the butterfly, I used some glitter and Mod Podge instead of sticker paper because I wanted to make sure it was a perfect circle. I used the back part of some tweezers to put the glue and glitter on. It made a perfect circle, but if you don't have tweezers, you can always use the back of a paintbrush or even a pencil. Since the glue doesn't dry quickly, I still had time to maneuver the glitter dots to their right spots. This part was actually easier than putting down all the stickers. If you added too much glue or glitter, you can always remove it with a Q-tip and just start again. The glue does dry clear, so no worries about the dots being perfect because the glitter flakes are all the same circle size. To start on the real candle, I measured the paper template around the candle, bending it at the edges to size it. I then cut off all the excess paper. Using Mod Podge and a sponge, I put down glue and smoothed it out with a sponge, making a thin layer to adhere my template to. I did this part by section, starting in the front and working my way all the way around the candle. I then put a generous amount of glue around the entire candle. I made sure to get the edges as smooth as possible, so later when I do cut the edges off, I don't cut off any of the template. After the candle dried, I traced the template with my Sharpie. The Sharpie wasn't as vibrant as I would have liked, so I just went over the Sharpie with a gold paint pen. Once the paint had dried, I used my X-Acto knife to cut off all of the excess paper on the top and the bottom of the candle. And here are both of my candles completely done. I love the way these turned out. They look super cute. Of course, the fake candle is fake, so you can leave it on as much as you like. There's no real heat or flame coming from it. And the real candle obviously is decorative. You can only use it a couple times because I don't know if the gold paint is flammable. I did think of a way of using this candle as much as you'd like by hollowing out the top and filling it up with tea light candles so you can light it as much as you want whenever you want. Here are both of the candles all lit up. I think they look absolutely beautiful and they look just like the movie. I hope I did the movie justice with these DIYs. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys next time.